Hello, wonderful friends. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yes, sir, Grace Link Herbal. My wonderful friends, how are we doing? How is life treating us? I want to believe you are doing fine and beautiful. First of all, I want to take charge from the creator of heaven and earth, the omnipotent and omniscience God. Yeah, the creator that has no creation. That is our maker. So to him be all the glory and honor. Amen. And today we have another interesting video. But before I proceed, this is Grace Link Herbal. My name is Grace. You can call me Grace. Yeah, I accept that. Yeah, it's my name. And by God's grace, yeah, the grace is there. We are here to give you um simple tips on how to go about treatments of some diseases, some spiritual herbs, herbal remedies. Okay, so if you want any of this, don't click away, help us and click on the subscribe button. Yeah, by so doing, and then thumbs up if you love what you are doing in here. That means you encourages us. You can as well share our videos to some of your friends who you deem you think those video is going to do good in their life. So as you do so, God bless you for me. All right, so amen. With that being said, I won't have much, but I want to introduce to you this. Yeah, this is one of the ingredients I love so much because it has a lot of health purposes and spiritual purposes. In fact, this is cinnamon. This is the one in my kitchen. You can then hold on. You can see it. I don't play with it. I don't joke with it. Look, this is the back of it. You know, they've not blended it. When you blend it, you know how it is golden brown in color. All right. Okay. What brought about this? I'm here to tell you more ways you can use cinnamon, because cinnamon has a lot of health benefits. Okay. The first thing I want you to understand that cinnamon is for love, for success. If you are newly married, in fact, if you are married, whether newly or not, okay, please, I will advise you to always try and put cinnamon under your pillow. The four corners of your bed is very much important. It enhances your spiritual life. If you, sorry, your love life, your relationship, it does a lot only with your faith. Because I always tell you guys that if you don't have faith, there is no need practicing all this, because it's only when you have faith that is going to work for you. When there is no faith, there is no need doing it. Okay, so if you can be doing it, I'm telling you that your life will never remain the same. If I should run out of every other ingredients, you say this cinnamon, I don't joke with it. Cinnamon, thyme, and alligator pepper, they are mostly important to me always, because I need them. For sometimes in the morning, I like doing my way of manifesting some good lucks on my way. This is how I do it, and you can as well practice this with me, because I know I have been experiencing some favor recently, and it has been so massive. Another secret you need to know is learn how to give. Givers, they said, never lack. Learn how to give. If you can learn how to give alms, if you can learn how to help someone, in no matter how little, you will see surprises in your life. It is tested and trusted. There is no two ways about it. Okay, so for the cinnamon, you can as well form the habit of dropping it in your bathing water, if possible, every day. Just see it as a normal thing. With bay leaf, yeah, they always have almost the same thing, but there is a significant difference. Okay, if you are traveling to attract favor good from anybody around you, I implore you to please put cinnamon in your bag. Let it be one of the things you seem very important to go with. It's very much important. Then, if you if your love life is getting low, if your husband doesn't perform much, yeah, you can as well do get cinnamon, the blended one, and not this one again. Mix it with honey and milk. Give it to your husband. It's very much good. In the other way in the other rooms of functions. I know you understand what I'm talking about. And then another thing you should know about the cinnamon is this: cinnamon has a way of attracting good looks. Cinnamon is, yeah, if you are experiencing misunderstanding and you don't know what is going on, please get green candle. Okay, get green candle and burn cinnamon in cinnamon incense. You may not get it, but if the perfume, if the odor, if the aroma can circulate around your building, that negative energy will find its way out, because it cannot withstand this. It is tested and trusted. Okay, it is tested. It cannot withstand this. If you are having any form of negative energy around you and you want to energize yourself, I implore you to please get green candle, because it stands for love. Okay, yeah, it stands for, green is for prosperity, red is for love. Thank you. And Avengers and white is for purification. Like, you should know your candles and the colors and what they stand for. So if you don't know about it, there is a video I made about it. You can as well check it, or you can check on the internet. So when you get it, you allow it. Okay, you allow it to burn. It's the aroma will circulate around your home. I tell you, anybody that is planting evil against your home anywhere, trust me, this will make them uncomfortable. Even if you are living with that person, you will find out that that person will no longer be comfortable. If you're in good time with that person, definitely you guys will break up with unknown to you. You may not even know what actually happened, but the next thing you will see that the person is going like, I can't stay anymore. All right, so if you can try this, trust me, your life will never remain the same. It will never remain the same, because there are so many ways to attack the evil one. There are so many ways to do so. You don't need to physically challenge them, because they're not physically challenging you, they're doing it spiritually, and that is why you need to follow them spiritually. Okay, so just try this and come back to give me the feedback, because I will be here to wait for your wonderful feedback, and I believe you must come back with testimony. So at least today you've known that cinnamon is so much useful in our daily life. I love life, prosperity, and all the rest of it. Thank you so much, dear friend, for watching us to this point. I love you guys. See you in my next video. Bye bye.